Hi, this is Tom Barron with Barrons Property Managers. Today I wanted to talk with you a little bit about preventive maintenance. We handle a lot of the smaller type issues with your house, on the management agreement. We handle everything up to $250. Then over $250, we call you to get your permission to go ahead and fix some major things with your home. But what we thought is preventive maintenance. These are some things that you can do to really make your home last and preserve your home and make it nice for a long time. HVAC should be checked yearly. That's not something that's done with a normal inspection. You would really need an HVAC approved vendor that is licensed and insured to do that. But HVAC should be checked yearly. Sprinkler pumps are drained yearly. Now we do provide that service to our clients, but the sprinkler pumps should be drained yearly. Pressure washing, pressure wash your house, pressure wash the decks, the fence to make it look nice, clean, and neat. Would be every 3 to 5 years. Septic tank pumped. I know a lot of the homes around this area, about 50% are on septic tanks. For a house with 4 people living in the property, a normal cycle to have that pumped would be 5 years. Chimney clean out would be roughly 5 years. Roofs should be checked every 5 years, again by a certified, a licensed and insured roofer. And also we recommend caulking, and caulking should be done as needed, but probably looked at every 3 to 5 years. Now these are all issues we can help you with. If you would need our help, please feel welcome to let us know. We have vendors, again, that are all licensed and insured that do all of this for us, and for a lot of our clients, they rely on us to do that. So we want to make sure that you know that we can do that for you, and this is available. Thank you very much.